guys, so today's outfit, $576 in retail versus $65 in thrift. $65 for all this. Well, your tip of the day. Your tip of the day is, I know that I tell you guys to make sure that you match your outfit color with your footwear, but there is an exception when it comes to color matching. This would have had just too much yellow if I would have had yellow heels, but instead I spiced it up with gold heels. Gold. So whenever possible, use gold and silver and maybe even tans as your primary base color of your heels. But if the outfit calls for it, try to match up the color. Like I had a yellow dress on before with yellow heels, that was perfect. But with this outfit, I think yellow heels would have just been too much. So the gold is just right. All right, guys, so if you like, hit like and follow, and I'll be sure to create new content for you. Till next time, guys, I'm Dee London with $1 Million Thrift.